use your hands. And go ahead, give it to that person. And give that person a high five. And tell that person, magaling ka pa rin. And sagutin mo rin, thank you, I know. Ikaw pa rin yan. Confident. Meron? May nabigay na gift? Yes? Oh, parang isa lang siya. Ikaw lang. Did you receive a gift from the confidant? Yes? Mamaya, we'll bring it all together. We'll bring it all together. Okay? Take a deep breath, everybody. Inhale. Exhale. The first C, different perspective, is the correspondent. He is objective. Everybody say objective. The second C is a confidant. Ang nangyari doon is kumukuha ka ng perspective of somebody that you respect and would listen to. Because magkaiba yung perspective mo, you're a supervisor, a manager, a leader, kumpara sa perspective niya. Because he's your father or he knows you as a good student or whatever, or you're a great employee or a leader. He knows you differently, therefore his perspective, which you were guessing or which we bring to mind, is different from the usual perspective of this person. Are you with me? Yes? Yes. Is this working so far for people? Yes? Parang mahina. Tapikin mo ang katabi mo. Sabihin mo sa kanya, gumagana ba, pre? Sabihin mo sa kanya, paganahin natin. Pre, baka naman Mars ang kailangan natin. Okay? Third, okay? The third perspective is the... Read it out loud. Centenarian. Question. Pag 80, 90 years old na siya, tingin mo, pinoproblema pa rin niya yan? Hindi na. Nalampasan na niya yun. Would you agree? Yes? Yes. So, from the centenarian perspective, this time, kanina nakapihit tayo ng ganito. Ngayon, ipihit natin ng ganito. Everybody, on your seats, go to the other side of the seat. Go to the other side of the seat. Pihit sa kabila. This is the centenarian. Sino ka nga? Si centenarian. Lolo, Lola, you are 80, 90 years old. Tignan mo yung bata. Ayan, nasa Inspiro siya. Okay, hindi mo alam kung ilang years na siya dyan. Ayan. 60 years na siya sa Inspiro. Nandiyan pa rin siya, no? Okay? At nakita mo siya dyan, meron siyang pinoproblema, yung kanyang challenge. Are you with me? Yes? From your perspective, 30, 40, 50 years later, meron ka ng apo, may retirement fund ka na, yung mga anak mo, professionals na rin, at titignan mo yung pinoproblema nitong tao nung 2024. Can you take a look at her or him? From the 80, 90, or 100-year-old version of you, what would you tell this person? Go ahead.